You're watching how Leap lets remove text from a photo on your iPhone. Use the built-in Remove Objects feature in iOS. Open the Photos app and select the photo with text. Tap Edit in the top right corner. Tap the markup tool icon at the top, which looks like a pen tip. Now tap the plus icon and select Add Shape. Choose the solid square shape. Drag and resize the square to completely cover the text you want to remove. Tap the color picker and use the eyedropper tool to sample a color from the area directly around the text. This makes the square blend in. Tap Done to save. For more precise removal, use a third-party app like TuckRetouch from the App Store. It has a clone stamp or quick repair tool to seamlessly cover text by copying nearby pixels. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.